Welcome! In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on the watch, we need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. And once the logo appears on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. Okay, it took a while, but as you can see, we're in the system now. So that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.